Try this game. But try this maze. It's really fun. Gotta make it through the maze. Gotta make it through 2 levels. Like 3 levels.
Oh, good.
Can't touch the black. So I make the red or the It's really hard. Try it. I couldn't do it.
Don't go too fast, guys.
I knew it was coming.
You did?
Yeah.
How do you
What, have you done this before?
No.
How do you know?
Because you guys were laughing in the background and
You suck, Gabby.
I laughed.
you're too obvious with it.
How? I was not laughing.
That seems scary.
You were laughing.
I laughed.
I did it on her.
Exorcist.
She almost cried.
I haven't laughed.
No, you almost